In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tally hours using Google Sheets. Whether you're tracking employee hours, your personal projects, or managing a team, Google Sheets is an excellent tool for compiling and calculating time data efficiently, and I'll guide you through it in a straightforward and simple way today. First off, you'll want to open up Google Sheets. You can access it through your Google Drive or head directly to sheets.google.com. Once you're in, start a new spreadsheet or choose an existing one that you want to work on. It's crucial to have your data laid out properly. Typically, you'd have a column for start times and another for end times. For the sake of this tutorial, let's put those times in columns B and C starting on row 2. Next, click on cell D2, since we'll calculate the hours worked in column D. This is where we'll craft our formula, designed to compute the difference between the end time and the start time in a row. Go ahead and type in the formula C2B2 into cell D2. This equation subtracts the start time from the end time, which gives us the duration for that particular row. After inputting the formula, all you need to do is hit the Enter key. This will calculate the time difference, producing a value in cell D2 that may initially look slightly odd since Google Sheets typically handles time in decimal form. But don't worry, we'll get to that shortly. To apply this formula to the entire column, use the autofill feature. Simply click on cell D2 and hover over the bottom right corner until you see a small blue box. Click and drag down the column to fill in the formula for all the rows where you have data in columns B and C. This method will save you a lot of time and effort, especially if you're working with a large data set. Now, to make sure these durations are displayed clearly and accurately, we need to format them correctly. Click on the Format tab in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, choose Number, and then head over to Custom Date and Time Format. Click on 132559 since this format displays hours, minutes, and seconds, which suits our needs perfectly. Finally, make sure to apply this formatting. Simply hit Apply and watch as Google Sheets automatically updates the cells to show the time in a standard clock format. It's a handy way of making sure everything is easy to read and ready to be analyzed or reported on. And that's it. You've successfully tallied hours using Google Sheets. Now you can continue to use this method to streamline your timekeeping tasks. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore other features that Google Sheets offers to improve your workflow.